Welcome back, dear friends, to Taslima Maya Art. I'm Taz. It's wonderful to have you here. So today I'm going to be unboxing some exciting new resin supplies, including UV resin and deep pour resin, as well as a little gift from Resiners. Don't forget, you can join me on Patreon for exclusive content or one-to-one support on your own creative journey. A big thank you goes out to all my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members, including Laurie Shaw, Let's Pour with Patty and BCC Arts. Thank you for your support. So let's unbox some new resin supplies. Hello dear friends, and I've got some packages that have just arrived from Amazon, and I ordered these about a week ago. So let's see what we've got, shall we? So we'll start with package one, and I remember this quite distinctly. I did order some resin, and this is UV resin from Let's Resin, and it's the clear hard type, so there's no mixing involved. It's fast curing, low odor and crystal clear. I can't wait to use this. I don't really have any UV resin. I did have some from Temu a while ago, but I didn't particularly like it, so I'm going to try the Let's Resin brand this time, and I'm super excited because I want to have a go at lots of different resin crafts, making jewellery and keychains and all sorts of things, so I can't wait to try this. It just makes it a lot more easier really with the UV resin without having to mix it up and wait a very long time. You can cure it right away with the UV light. And I do have a lamp somewhere. We also have this, which is the ocean white epoxy resin pigment, okay, and I really needed this because I did have a product. Hold on, I'll just get it. Yep, I had this product which I ordered from, I think it was from Temu. It was a Sea Wave resin pigment paste. I ordered it about a year and a half ago, and I used it once, and although it was sealed, when I opened it up to make my first ever resin bloom, I found that it was rock solid, you see. So it's just absolutely rock solid, which was annoying because I had to use acrylic paint instead, as I didn't have anything else to use for my resin bloom, so it kind of ruined that a little bit. But yeah, I did have this. It's not very good. It dried up way too fast in the container, so I'm super excited to try Let's Resin's Ocean White instead, this pigment, and hoping that I can do lots of things with this, as well as create ocean pours with my resin. Okay, so that's the first box done and dusted. Let's have a look what's in the next one. Okay, I really love looking at all the different brands and types of resin I can get. This is another resin company called Craft Resin. You probably would have heard of them. They're quite popular. Craft Resin do epoxy resin as well. This is a crystal clear deep pour resin. Okay, so it's got great UV protection. It says no VOCs, non-toxic, bubble-free, non-flammable, odorless. However, I would still use my PPE, and I would use my respirator and gloves and things, and make sure I have ventilation with any kind of resin, despite what it says on the box, because it's really important you don't breathe any of the vapors. So yeah, definitely wear protective clothing. Make sure you have some sort of air purifier as well, which I do have from Resiners. So that's this container. Let's have a look what's inside. I think it's part A, part B, if I can open it. Yep. Oh no, we've got three. Okay, so we've got two part A's and one part B. So I think it's a 2-1. Let me just see if it says it's a 2-1. Oh, we should see somewhere in the leaflet, I guess. So it looks like this. It's a 2-1, yeah. So measure resin and hardener by 2-1 volume. Wrong ratio may alter the chemical reaction. Mixture will not cure. So yeah, so this is a 2-1. So we only need the one part B, the hardener, with a resin itself. So there's that one. I'm excited to have a look at how that brand operates and how that works. And then on to the last one. So this is also from Let's Resin, and I've got two of them. Okay, so this is a lovely little trinket tray which I'm going to pour into. I'm going to be using some mix pour in here as well, having a look at how I can use mix pour with the epoxy resin and create a beautiful little trinket tray. So these are nice little molds. I quite like them. I'll be doing two of them in a video coming up soon, so stay tuned. So I just want to quickly show you some of my molds, which I've had for nearly 2 years now, and I need more time to be able to do these things. So we've got lots of lovely molds. I've got this Lovely seahorse, as you can see. We've got this lovely seahorse mould. Can't wait to try that. It's relatively shallow. And a clock one as well. So I can't wait to make a resin clock. So I might do that using lots of crushed glass and make it like a geode. And then we've got these keychains and lots of letters, so I can do those. We've got coaster. We've got some coasters, and these are basic square coasters. I've got a mould for a frog. I've had that for nearly 2 years, still haven't had time. This is a coaster stand. We've got this gorgeous flower one as well. I need to pour into that. And lots of little bits and bobs. There's a monstera leaf mould. And I've got these lovely flower moulds. Okay, these are like deco moulds. Etruscan rose. Look at that. I can't wait to try those. And there's another one here, the forest flora one. So these are from deco moulds, redesigned. They're gorgeous. And there's a couple more in here as well. We've got this, which I'm using soon, and lots of other bookmark ones. And then there's this, which is a lizard. Can't wait to try that. My daughters really want to see, and a mini one as well. So yeah, there's those. And then we come to the larger box I have of all my resin stuff. So we've got lots of resin tape for making jewellery, tassels for bookmarks, these little housing cases for pendants and keychains, and you can see those, and we've got them in silver as well. Got these deep pour containers or moulds for bigger pieces. There's this heart one as well, a heart shaped one. And lots of fillers as well, so cups and fillers. Oh, tons of glitters and lots of different stickers, hundreds of stickers that we can look at. Crushed glass as well, temporary tattoos and transfer foils. This beautiful butterfly one, and lots of nail stickers as well. I love this little goldfish one as well. So nail art comes in use, lots of little bits for nail art. This is sort of sea wave type of thing. So yeah, lots and lots of lovely little things I can add to my resin pieces. This is a deburring tool, and then I've got a little drill here to put holes into my resin pieces. And then this bag is full of all sorts of beads and glass beads and caviar beads and gold leaf and glitters, iridescent glitter, crushed glass, all pebbles. We've got lots of different exciting things in there that we can play with as well. And then there's these as well, which are nice fillers, and they go into your resin, and they're very beautiful. Look at the way they shine. So yeah, so that's my other box of things I need to play with this summer or this spring. Put that back in. And here we have some pen molds. I can't wait to try those. Gorgeous. And my little mixer as well. That's my hand mixer. And finally there's this, which was air cushion magic powder pen, and it's got some gorgeous pigment in there which you can brush on, so it makes it really easy. So you can see this, you can brush it on into your mold and then pour your resin in afterwards and watch it set. Just very convenient for those really tricky little areas in your mold. Okay, so let's move this away. So that's it from me for now. I'm glad I could show you all the resin pieces I've got. I can't wait to start using them. The weather is warming up here in the UK slowly, so it's lots of time to do some resin with the windows open without freezing to death. So don't go away yet, folks. Up next, I'll be showing you a lovely gift that resiners.com have sent me, so stay tuned for that. Hey, look what else arrived! I'm so excited, but Resiners have sent me this lovely silicone mould for resin work, and I want to have a quick look in this box. I'm super excited because it's a gift and I can't wait to try it out and use it in my resin craft. So let's open it up. It's just literally arrived 5 minutes ago through the door. Oh wow, okay, so we've got Love Never Fails from Resin. There's a little card which is lovely, and then we've got a brush set. So we've got a brush set here, some small brushes, makeup brushes, some tweezers. So that's really cool. I guess I could put the little bits of glitter and things in, and the little fillers into each of my projects. That's really nice of them, isn't it? I can test this out and use these lovely, gosh, they're very pink, aren't they? This is like for Valentine's Day, but I guess it's good for anything, you know. So here's the glitters, lots of lovely shapes in there, all pink, iridescent pink, lovely colours. Don't know if you can see that. Yep, so we've got flowers and stars and hearts and all sorts in here. That's lovely, I like that. And let's see what the mould is. Oh wow, okay, so it looks like, let me get it out. Sorry about the noise. I'm just having a look at this. Let's move this out of the way a second. Oh wow, so what it looks like is a heart-shaped mould and a jigsaw. Does this look like a jigsaw to you? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, I'm not sure. But lots of different pieces. I'll have a look at the website to see how this, if this actually goes together or not. I'm not sure. Maybe it does, or maybe it's separate. But it'll be good to find out, wouldn't it? That's really fascinating. So 2 lovely new molds for me to play with, and I'm super excited about that. Some lovely bits of filler as well that I can put in, and this lovely heart-shaped mold. Wonder what we can do with that. And also they sent this, so thank you, Resiners. And I'll be doing a project where you can see me using these anyway. And I'm pretty sure this is an apron from them. Let me just double check. Yep, it is. It's a nice little apron to keep me protected. I keep my clothes protected. That goes over the shoulders and across the back there. That's really nice. It says Resiners at the front. Fabulous. So stay tuned for all the fabulous resin crafts I'll be making this spring and summer, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching this 13-minute video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Oh, and don't forget, every Saturday at 5 PM EST, 10 PM UK, I have a collaboration called a Creative Art Collective. So do join us for some great art and some fun in the live chat.